In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gmail notifications on desktop. If you work on your computer a lot, having desktop notifications for your emails can be really helpful. Instead of constantly checking your inbox, you'll get a small pop-up on your screen whenever a new message arrives, so you can stay on top of important emails without getting distracted by repeatedly opening Gmail. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, make sure you're signed into your Gmail account on your desktop browser. Once you're in your inbox, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings button. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This opens a quick settings panel on the right side of the screen. In this quick settings panel, you'll see a few commonly used options, but for what we need, we're going to open the full settings page. Near the top of that panel, click on See All Settings. This will take you to the main settings area, which has multiple tabs across the top, such as General, Labels, Inbox, and more. By default, you should land on the General tab, which is exactly where we need to be. Now, stay on the General tab and scroll down the page slowly until you find the section labeled Desktop Notifications. This section controls how Gmail alerts you on your computer when new mail comes in. Here, you'll usually see options to turn notifications off, to be notified for all new mail, or to be notified only for important mail. Choose the option that best fits how you work. If you receive a lot of emails and don't want constant pop-ups, you might prefer important mail notifications on. If you want to see every new message as it arrives, select the option for all new mail notifications. Once you've selected your preference, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is crucial. If you don't save, your notification settings will not be applied. After saving, your browser may ask you to allow notifications from Gmail. Make sure to click Allow, otherwise the desktop notifications won't show up. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same settings page and adjust or turn off notifications at any time. And that's it. You've now set up Gmail desktop notifications so you can see new emails right from your desktop without constantly checking your inbox.